Are you sick of bad tasting water with hidden impurities? I'm Gina with WTI, and as soon as I saw the difference between the impurities in my tap water and how great the water was, once I filtered it with this system from SimPure, I was completely sold. This uses a 4-stage reverse osmosis system with UV filtration to make sure that you're getting the best tasting and clearest water. This system is especially nice to have if you don't want to hassle with putting plumbing in. This sits on your countertop, you simply plug it in, and I love that the capacity on the water holder is quite large, so you're not always having to empty it and fill it. This also is 4-to-1 pure to drain, which means that I'm not wasting a ton of water too. I got the classic model. It's really simple to use, just a few buttons on the front. As you can see, there's preset amounts, but if you are wanting to fill a larger bottle like this one, you can simply click the flushing button, and then once it reaches the level that you want, click it again and it'll stop filling up. I really love the simplicity of using this SimPure unit, and it gives me peace of mind to know that what I'm drinking is actually good for me, and that's my point of view.